Hey everyone, this is Akhil from Install or Not, and today we have the Infinix Smart 4 Plus smartphone with us that packs a massive battery and has a decent specifications at a budget price. So let's check out the performance of this device and see how well does it perform. So let's get started. So the Infinix Smart 4 Plus looks quite similar to the Hot 9 series of smartphones that were announced a couple of weeks ago. So let's talk about the specifications of the Smart 4 Plus. In terms of display, it has a 6.82 inches display. It's a drop notch display at the top and has a 20.5:9 aspect ratio and 90.3 screen to body ratio. It's a HD plus display and has a resolution of 720 pixels. In terms of processor, it's running on Helio A25 processor. That's an octa-core processor, and in terms of storage, it has 3 gigabits of RAM and 32 gigabits of internal storage. Talking about the cameras, it has a 13 megapixel primary camera. It's a dual camera rear camera setup, and in terms of selfie camera, it's an 8 megapixel AI selfie camera. In terms of card storage, it has a triple SIM card slot where two of them can be used to house SIM cards and one is a micro SD expansion slot. And there's a VULT support as well on both the SIM cards. So the key highlight of the device is it has a 6000 mAh battery that's expected to last about more than 2 days. Let's run some benchmarking apps on this device and see how well does it perform on the benchmarking apps. So we were able to run the Geekbench scores, and here are the scores of Geekbench. The scores are quite decent, and while running the ANTU benchmarks, we were not able to run the ANTU benchmarks, so we don't have the results for that. So let's run to the actual test. Let's run some games on the device like PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9. We tried Fortnite, but that was not compatible. So here's the gameplay of PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9 and see the results and see what all resolutions are available. So let's dive into the gameplay of the Infinix Smart 4 Plus smartphone.